Boom. Hello, hello, hello to everybody. Had to come out the light on. I hope everyone enjoyed their 4th of July. And hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. But yep, $18,000 direct mail in 3 months. And we're going to discuss a new lead source that I've heard about and I am excited about. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. While I talk, of course, I'm going to open up. I went to the mail today. I was enjoying time with the family for the 4th of July, so I have some envelopes that came in the mail. Hey, Annie. Annie, I want to thank you so much. Every time I come on, you're always here to support me, and I love it. Thank you so much for always being in, Annie. I really appreciate it. Hey, Corey. Hey, Denitra. Hey, Fred. So I want to talk about lead source because one of the things that people don't understand is that you have to test certain leads. All leads don't perform the same, okay? And it's really important to know your lead source, what leads work the best, test different lead sources, and, basically make sure that you are with a lead source that gives you the results that you're looking for. So sometimes hey, Michelle, you're going to get leads that don't perform really well. And then there's going to be other times you're going to get leads that perform very well. And then there's going to be times where it's kind of in the middle, depending on the time of the year, what you're promoting, how often you're promoting. So I do have a lead source. All of those who are in the Six Figure Stamp Club or any direct mail marketing, you want to hit me up and get information about this lead source. So the first one that I got in the mail was a letter from somebody. It's a card. I actually thought it was a I thought it was a money in the mail, but it's not. But I love cards too. And this is from someone that I sent stamps to, Brina. Brina, thank you so much. Hey, April, for sending this out to me. It says, oh my God, the stamps are so beautiful. I'm truly blown away. I so appreciate you and the way you handled the situation. That was not your full responsibility. Thanks to you. All is not lost. Thank you again for the leads and the stamps. You're a great asset to this industry. And Brina sent me a card. We had a little bit of a hiccup and I wanted to make things right, which is always the best thing to do. So I sent her out some leads and I sent her out some stamps and she sent me a thank you card. And that's really nice. And I appreciate that. Thank you so much for that. Hey, Julia. Hey, Carla. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Leona. So with that said, I got my leads in the mail. I purchased 2,000 leads. And if anybody wants to get more information or wants to order leads, you can just reach out to me and I will get that information over to you. So we're going to just get started and open up some of these envelopes. I have a mailing that came in from Anthony. Anthony, thanks so much for joining the team. He came in at the $50 level. Here's $50 and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much for joining the team. Glad to have you aboard. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Carla. We have another one that came in. I'm about to open up here. And so far, $18,000. It's going on 3 months that I've been in this program. And I love direct mail marketing. I always have. And I'm truly excited about what's to come and how things are moving with the direct mail marketing. So I have another one from another Anthony, 2 Anthony's back to back. Thanks so much for joining, Anthony. Anthony came in at the $150 level. And here is the cash that came in from Anthony. Thanks so much for joining. And 2 books of stamps from Anthony. So thanks again, Anthony, for joining the team. Glad to have you aboard. I have another one here that came in priority mail. Most of it come in priority, so I normally receive payments within a couple of days, give or take, depending on how people are sending out their payments. Okay. Mike. Hey, Mike. How you doing? Mike is another person that's in direct mail marketing. He's been doing it for a while and having great results. Mike, I always love to chat with you. He gives me insight and information on what's going on in the industry. Love chit-chatting with all my direct mail marketing folks. Hey, Blanco. Hey, Ann. Thanks for tuning in. Here I have Larry. Larry, thanks so much for joining. Larry came in at the $150 level. Larry was a pass up. So Larry came in from someone else that joined on my team, and I received a $40 payout and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Larry, for joining the team. Glad to have you aboard. Then we have Carla. Carla who came in. Carla, I believe, was a upgrade. Carla upgraded to the next level so she can receive more leads and also receive higher commissions. Here goes Carla's information. This came in the mail and she wrapped it up. Here we have a Carla, another $150 and 1 book of stamps. Carla, thanks for the upgrade. Glad to see you moving forward. Received your stuff in the mail. And we have here Kahia, I believe is how you pronounce it. Kahia. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. But Kahia, I have your information. I got your stuff in the mail. Kahia came in at the black level. Sherry Kahia, thanks so much for joining at the black level. These are all one-time payment, guys. One-time payments. You do not have to pay over and over and over again. So I received 3 books of stamps in the mail. Here's the 3 books of stamps. And that's a total of $300 at the black level. So there's the 300 bucks, guys. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. I have another envelope that came in the mail. This is from Mr. Cooper or Mrs. Cooper. Let me open up and see what's going on here. Hey, Chrissy, happy Saturday. Hey, Roger, how you doing? Hey, Mark, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. So we got another one that came in. Came in 2 envelopes, 1 and 2. Oh, it's a little blurry. There you go. Here's the envelope here. Let's see what we have. So yes, new lead source, guys. If you are on the 6 figures with the 6 Figure Stamp Club, you want to take a look at the prices and get on these leads, definitely hit me up. Judith, thanks so much for joining. Judith, I have your payment. Judith came in at the blue level. That's 2 books of stamps and $150 in cash. Judith, I have your stuff. Time to rock and roll, Judith. And then last but not least came in from Bill. I'm going to get the scissor for this. Let's see if I could. Oh, I'll wrap the scissor. Open this up with the scissors. Okay, what we have here. Alrighty, so we have this person came in at, let's see what we have here. At the blue level. The stamps got stuck. So that is 2 books of stamps at the blue level. And they put it in a second envelope, probably just the money in here. And another envelope. They want to make sure nobody get this sucker. So we got a chase envelope here. So it came in 3 envelopes. And Bill, thanks so much for joining the team. A total of $150. Okay, so that's what we have for today. I just want to again talk about leads. Some people we're stating they're, no matter what lead source they have, they're not getting the results that they're looking for. So what I realize is that you have to make sure that whatever lead source you're using, they're updating their leads, and that the people that they are getting leads from is within the last 30 to 60 days, because when it goes out further than that, they're normally no good, or they don't respond as quickly as you want them to. Okay, so that's one of the things that I noticed. Another thing is, when you get your leads in the mail, you want to start sending them out as soon as possible. You don't want to hold off and wait too long. So the moment you order your leads, try to get them out within the first month, within the first 30 days, okay? And you can spread them out over the weeks. You don't have to send them all at once. Spread it out and do maybe a few hundred or a couple hundred every week until they're all gone, but don't hold on to them. You want to just make sure that you're consistent and that you try different lead sources. If you notice that you're not really getting the response that you're looking from one lead source, try another lead source. You don't need to get anything that's very expensive. Just try something different. And if you want to, and you're looking at a lead source, you can send me the information and I'll let you know if it's a good lead source or not. There are a few that I've tried that were not giving me the results that I was looking for. And I normally buy leads in the bulk of 1,000 or 2,000. So I just got my leads in the mail here. Here's my leads. They came in about a couple of days ago, and I'm going to be sending these out this week. Okay, I'm going to open them up. And this is a reputable lead source that the leads are extremely inexpensive, and the list is up to date. Okay, so I have a total of 2,000 leads that came to me. Okay. So you don't have to worry about putting them on labels. They're already on the labels. So all I need to do is take these leads and put them on the envelope and mail them out. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do with the leads that I currently have. I have a total of 2,000, and I'm going to be purchasing more and more and more every single week or every couple of weeks. Okay. So that's what I'm going to start off with, is just these 2,000 and see how it goes. And I'm going to just continuously purchase more and more leads. But normally I try to go with a reputable company. I was using Six Figure Stamp Club leads. They were not giving me the response that I was looking for, nor my team. So we are now going to try this company and give it a shot. So I will be back with you guys within a couple of days or so, just giving you guys the results of what's going on. But here we have it. This is what came in today. This is what I picked up from the mail today. And I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 books of stamps. So that's gonna take me a long way, okay? I hope everyone enjoyed their weekend. Thanks so much for tuning in. And yes, for the cover letter, you can definitely send me over a message and I'll get a cover letter going for you. That's not a problem. All right. So have a great day. Inbox me if you want more information or if you have any questions, and I'll get right back to you. Bye-bye.